Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're having our RV cooking episode. This is the first one started this summer, and today we're going to make a stuffed poblano pepper with cilantro, lime, and shrimp. So let's get into this and we'll get this going. Alright, in our pan, I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of olive oil. And I have about a pound, roughly a pound, maybe a pound and a half of medium to large shrimp that's been peeled and deveined. And we're going to pop them in here. We're going to take about a teaspoon of paprika. We're going to sprinkle that in. A little bit of garlic. Yeah, looks like moisture got in here a little bit, but that's okay. About a teaspoon of it. And we're going to do a teaspoon of onion. Yeah, this got rock hard. Let me see if I can salvage this. Hold on. There she goes. Always have a little grater. We'll call that good. A lot of moisture got into that. Oh well. Okay, we'll just have to fix that later. Alright, I'm going to turn on my fire. I'm going to cook it over medium. And we're just going to cook these until they get nice and pink. One jump ship. Okay, I'm going to add a little salt and some pepper. And there's some of them are starting to get pink. Alright, I'll bring you back when they're done. Turn off the heat. And we're going to transfer this into our bowl here. And then in our bowl, we're going to put about a half a cup of cream cheese. And a quarter cup of cilantro, so it's about half of this little container. A teaspoon or two of lime juice. I'm going to give this a good stir. Okay, got a half a cup of cheese, any cheese that you want. I'm using cheddar, so that's what I have. Guys, you need 4 poblano peppers, and we're going to cut them in half. And we're going to take their guts out. Do peppers have guts? Okay guys, so now we're gonna oil the backs of these peppers with olive oil. And yeah, I'm using my fingers because I don't have a pastry brush with me. So I'll use what I have. And we're going to put these in a 375-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes till they're nice and bubbly and all the cheese is melted. Okay. And I am going to sprinkle a little bit of oil on the pan. I don't want any stickage. Okay, and next we're going to stuff them with our mixture. Okay, and we're going to fill them up. I wish these were a little bit fatter guys. That'd be a lot better, but hey, we'll use what we got. And I'm trying to get at least a couple shrimps in each one. Okay guys, next you're going to top them with more cheese. Okay. And you can use jalapenos, or any type of pepper you want. If you want to use habanero, go for it. Ghost pepper, just, yeah, use a ghost pepper if you want to use that. It doesn't matter what pepper. But poblanos aren't really that spicy. Every now and then you might get a little bit of heat, but it's not flaming hot. And Farrah and I can handle a little bit of heat, but not a lot. Okay, I'm going to call that good. So we're going to put these in the oven between 25 and 30 minutes. Okay guys, it's ready. We're going to take these out. They're nice and gooey. We're going to let them rest. Okay guys, it's been about 5-10 minutes. And we're going to serve these up. They're nice and gooey and cheesy. And they're going to be flaming hot. So, I don't think I'll try to test one. Well, maybe if I find a shrimp, I can do it. Let's see. You get a fork here. Really good flavor. Nice and creamy with the cream cheese and the cheddar. You can taste the poblano pepper on that shrimp. There's a piece of the pepper. Guys, you gotta try this. This is pretty good. I wish they were taller and wider peppers. I bet you could use a bell pepper on this too. If you guys do, leave it down in the comments what peppers that you used to make this recipe. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with me this afternoon while I make this little video and our dinner for tonight. And I will see you on the next RV cooking video. Bye now. Love you.